Yes, I'm me, Mama Suzie again. This is part 2 with tunn cornmeal done with the curry chicken. My curry look red though. I don't know what kind of foreign curry this. Anyway, the food tastes mad. Zoom up in a tunn cornmeal, up in my pot. So people, see tunn cornmeal, look on it. See it here? This are the tunn cornmeal. Let me tell you something now. I got dish out some dinner for Jesse now. Because that tunn cornmeal ill. From him a 7-year-old him leave Jamaica. From him a put a video for me now, no boy. It doesn't in iPad so. From him a 7-year-old him leave Jamaica. You see when him eat that tunn cornmeal tonight, all him granny birthday him remember. See it here now, Jesse. How you tell me say now? That are the tunn cornmeal, mad. When you hear me say, when him done eat that tunn cornmeal today, all him granny birthday him remember. Turn in the pot angle, and this are the chicken now. We are going to introduce in the argument. Jesse, trust me. This is one that make you call it big tour. Trust me.
No, no, that all going.
Alright, don't watch nothing. So this is Jesse dinner today. Some tunn cornmeal with some curry chicken. So that's the dinner for today. When him eat them food, all him granny birthday, remember. Trust me, people me love you now. You don't know say them food are native food. Real Jamaican eat tunn cornmeal. Tomorrow me go give you some tapas. You don't have nothing ready, you know, because the thing I got shot. Alright, love you. Tunn cornmeal and chicken.